Exclusive from MalawiChoose.com. Nyanda made it.
Yeah. Kakalan boy. Wane pa, zungu wane. Wane pa. Perepo kupanga makobiri. Ndarama. Bateba pa nombane pa. Wazungu mbitwa abatalira teka. Tikupanga makobiri. Mzungu ngwane.
Mr. Special?
Yes, madam.
I want to show you what you must do to me
Okay.
today.
Yeah.
You and me, you must work nicely
Yes,
together,
and
okay?
yes,
So I'm going to show you, and you must do exactly what I tell you.
Okay.
Okay, come with me.
Okay.
Come with me.
Yeah.
You see here? I want you to get all the rubbish, like the bad leaves.
Okay, yes, I
Get
see.
it out. You see all the
Yes, I
leaves
see,
there.
yeah.
And all around here where you see the leaves, you must get it out for me.
All right, madam.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, and after that I'll show you what to plant for me.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got a lot to do. You must concentrate.
All right,
Yeah.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Mr.
Thank you, madam.
You're a very special man.
Yeah.
Wainda zili Mozambiki koma zina singakupange kutiwa.
Ndikepota ka WhatsApp kanyingu nja WhatsApp iyi. Apo kamaya kuti wazungu apara nakhala pano. Vangashita kanthu yayi. Kayura wakatenge ngongoliane ina ni mulungu. Yale kandani mtimbirepo kakoro uyu sunduzwayo uyu kuti kasunduzwayo tendenge ulimise. Ero sunduzwayo. Ayo yasa game naira mzara naweso ka game ina ikwenda ikuti uli naweso na mzara. Vitekenge mise naweso nakumakatika vakachikuwa mbumba nakula wachitika uli naweso. Okay. Asunose palije. Nchito njane mzungu ngwane wena vangakalipa yayi mzungu iwe nawe nchito njane turufika ise tikenda patali kukaya mwawana mungana na ise.
No? Mr. Special?
Yes, madam.
What are you busy with? No. You can't do the leaves with a phone.
Sorry, madam.
No.
Sorry,
yeah.
madam.
We've got a lot of work to do. You know what? When you're at the job,
Yes.
you can't speak on the phone the whole
Sorry,
time.
madam. Sorry.
You must put the phone aside.
Okay, sorry, madam.
And you must finish. We've got lots of work to do.
Yeah.
And you know, there's not many jobs. You must look after your job.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
Okay. I don't want to see you on the phone again. Look me in the eyes.
Yes.
Promise you, I won't see you on the phone again.
Okay.
Lunchtime, yes, but not passing work. Not again.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Pick up the leaves clean because we've got a lot of other things to do.
Okay, madam.
And leave your phone.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Okay. I don't want to see that again.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Baba, she no lose my way. I still love Nanga nilipa maono.
Ishi mzungu ishi kuti ngwenu naye mbuyi mzungu mwanakazi naye kusuwa mzungu ingwenu apa nthenchito iyi nthena yakuti ningagwira kamaini wanu ahoro sate minisi mbweyu he mai mwakuti kandansi ndile maro aya uyu naye nyamato umponi atimaraneza zatiru apa kuti tione kuti kandarama zendenge ziteulise tikwendera kupanga ndarama pano wakandiveka pano kuoneka shi yaso ishi nipange nikhale nthena ndikoti shanjara ishi mbwenu wanionengeso sha mazga kapakulu apa ishi. Mzara. Nawe sombe mzungu iwangwiza nawe sombe umusanga kuti nili busy ngwashekuru angoro nderango. Ganda uraya. Anya nawe na ndrama pano mbani mzungu ngwani.
Mr. Special.
Madam. Yes, madam.
He doesn't have to run away. What are you doing?
No, madam.
What are you doing? You're tramping all over my plants.
No.
You're not doing the work. I've got the plants that you must plant. But you're on the telephone the whole time.
Sorry, madam.
No,
Sorry.
this will not work. You know what? This is a big garden.
Yes, I see.
There's lots of people who want jobs.
Yes, I
You're
know.
not looking after your job.
No, madam.
No,
Sorry.
you're not serious.
Yeah, I'm serious.
No. I'm sorry.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
I'm sorry. There's many people who want job. You
Yes.
can't work for me.
Yes, I know,
Because
madam.
this is not going to work.
Please, madam. Sorry.
No.
I can't try it again.
I'm very sorry I gave you 2 chances.
Sorry, madam. Sorry. Sorry for that, madam.
With your next job, you must listen and you must be honest. You must have integrity. You cannot speak on the phone while you need to work.
Sorry.
Will you remember that?
Yes, I
For
remember.
me, this is finished now.
Ah, no,
This
madam.
job
no,
is now
madam.
finished.
No,
No,
madam.
no,
Please,
no,
madam. Madam, please.
I hope you
Please,
find another
madam.
job, but not with
Please,
me.
madam,
No,
please.
no.
I'm a poor boy.
I
Please.
can't. You get your clothes, you get everything. I want you off my property today.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
Today it's finished. You must get new place to stay. You're not going to stay with me anymore.
Oh, sorry,
No.
madam. Sorry,
It's
sorry.
finished.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
No. You overplayed your hand.
Sorry, madam.
You must get
Sorry.
off this property today.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
Goodbye.
Sandisi Deka Nuru Langanadi Selota Tangalili Bamaondo Omwe muli kwa nisa Baba Muvelanga Pempelo Omundi wangole